Hello makers, this is Richard Jolly with Earth People Technology. Just wanted to give you an early look at what we've been working on. And what we've been preparing for you guys is a super easy BLE kit. Okay, so this BLE kit consists of BLE board and a phone app. This phone app is only available for Android, so no Apple stuff at the moment. Okay, so I'm going to show you how this works. We've got a library already prepared for the Max Pro Logic using a Max 10 FPGA. Okay, let me just plug this in to the right socket here. Okay, so this is a very easy kit. The app is complete. There's nothing to program. This is the app that you get. It has 8 what we call switches, which are switch on, switch off, and then 7 momentary switches, buttons, which are start, stop, up, down, right, left. Then we have a text messaging scheme. So this is the app. There's nothing to program with the app. This is how it comes. You'll put it on your Android phone and use it as is. The BLE board uses a CC2640, and we already have pre-programmed firmware in there. So no profiles to program in, no AT commands, none of that stuff. There's a library that we prepared that runs right now just on the FPGA, the Max 10 FPGA, and it takes the commands from app to BLE board and produces the functions such as LED on, LED off, go to the right, go to the left. And what you see inside that code is it's very flexible and very easy for the user to use. You just need to add your user control stuff to the library in there. Anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and show you the functionality of this board. So I'm going to hit the power button, and the LEDs blink twice to let you know that we're powered up and ready to go. So here's the app, and we'll hit the scan button. As we're scanning, you can see that it's finding the joystick. It's talking to it, and I'm going to scan one more time. We'll scan. And then hit the connect button, and we'll see that okay, so now the app has connected to the BLE board. So what we can do with this is we'll hit LED 1 on. So LED 1 is now on, so I can send command to turn LED 2 on, 3 on, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now what's going on is the app is sending over BLE commands to the BLE board. The BLE board is turning those into UART commands. Those UART commands are getting transmitted to the FPGA. The FPGA has a whole library that takes those commands, LED 1 on, LED 2 on and off, and makes that particular function happen. So I've got a default application running in the FPGA right now that will take these button commands and create a little blinky show for you. So here are whenever I hit the start stop button, it takes the blinky show, moves it to the left. Then I'll change it to the right here. We can go fast, we can go slow. And you can see that the app is quite responsive. The whole BLE system is quite responsive. It moves pretty fast. That is pretty good for a little blinky show. Now what I wanted to show you is the range that you can get with our BLE board. So I'm going to pull the camera back here about, I'm going to go back about, well, it may be 20 feet or so. I'll scoot all the way back here. Okay, So we're back here about 20 feet here. This is the range we can see. Okay, I want to show you how much range we can get here. Okay, so we'll hit LED 1 on, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we're getting good range with this guy. There's the blinky show. We'll turn up the speed just to show you that this thing is still responsive at 20 feet. We're still getting really good response out of this system. So there we have it. We've got a very simple BLE kit. The app is owned by Earth People Technology. It's not a third party. You don't have to sign up, give away any of your data for this app. The BLE board has its firmware running in it, and there's no need to reprogram it. No profiles to program in. It's just a straight board you plug in. The library has been created for the Max Pro Logic at this time, and it does all that functionality for you. But we're going to port that over to the Arduino to allow the Arduino folks to use this very simple BLE system. And you'll see in the user code that it will be just a series of very simple functions. You get switch 1 on, and the user will be able to take that switch 1 on function and then use it to drive some other part, light an LED or turn on a motor or turn on a relay or whatever. And then the momentary buttons are set up like a joystick, so you could use this to create a little BLE robot controller. So there you have it, very simple kit. This will be available very shortly on all of Earth People Technologies web stores. So check back with us, and happy making.